Amidst the suspense over who will be Maharashtra CM, rumors are raging that Shiv Sena Uddhav faction leaders could possibly switch over to the Shinde faction as well. There are murmurs, in fact, currently that 5 Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray Shiv Sena MLAs are looking at jumping ship as we speak. Shiv Sena UBT MLA Prakash Jadhav, though, dismissed these rumors. Let's listen in to what he told my colleague Anand shortly ago.
सेना यूबीटी आज मीटिंग हुई थी मातोश्री पे, तो क्या डिस्कशन था?
ऐसा है कि कोई भी इलेक्शन होने के बाद में हर एक पार्टी की जो उम्मीदवार नए उम्मीदवार चुन के आते हैं, वो नए हो या रिपीट हो, उनकी एक मीटिंग बुलानी पड़ती है और इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के गाइडलाइंस के तहत वहां एक पार्टी व्हिप चुना जाता है, एक गठनेता चुना जाता है और एक विधिमंडल नेता चुना जाता है। तो विधान परिषद और विधानसभा का विधिमंडल नेता करके माननीय आदित्य ठाकरे जी को चुना गया और विधानसभा गठ नेता मुझे चुना गया और हमारे व्हिप सुनील प्रभु जी को चुना गया।
सर, दूसरी तरफ उदय सामंत कहते हैं कि हमारे संपर्क में यूबीटी के 5 एमएलए हैं, क्या करते हैं?
ऐसा है कि बार बार ये ऐसा कहना, तो कहने वालों की बहुत लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं। कोई भी बात में सीरियसनेस होना चाहिए। उल्टा यही होगा कि जिसको मिनिस्ट्री नहीं मिलेगी वो शायद वहां से निकलेंगे, वहां से अलग गुट ना बनाए, इसलिए वो बोलते होंगे।
दूसरी तरफ देखने को गए तो उद्धव ठाकरे को देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी को अभी मुख्यमंत्री पद पर फाइनल निर्णय लिया है, ऐसी एक खबर सामने आ रही है।
अभी नहीं, मुझे मालूम नहीं, जब तक अथेंटिकली कोई भी खबर आती नहीं तो मेरे जैसे जिम्मेदार आदमी ने उसके ऊपर कमेंट्स करना मुझे ठीक नहीं लगता है।
जब सब करके ही एकनाथ शिंदे उधर गए थे।
Okay. Tejas Mehta continues to be with us as well. Tejas, the fact, of course, is that now, interestingly, with these rumors floating around that possibly there could be some Uddhav faction MLAs looking to switch over to Eknath Shinde, looking at how the election results have panned out. Could this then be used by Eknath Shinde in flexing his muscle, in flexing his clout, in trying to further his case for the Chief Minister's chair today, when he comes to Delhi and meets with Amit Shah and JP Nadda?
I don't think it's that simple, because at the end of the day, he still can never reach those numbers which the BJP have. Also, BJP brings in far more, weight and clout to the entire, with the center being with the BJP to the alliance than what an Eknath Shinde can do. I think what will happen is in reverse. The BJP will tell the NCP and the Sena that, look here, now is your opportunity to grab as many leaders as possible and finish off the other smaller factions. They will also show them the lollipop that we have not had municipal election, we have not had panchayat elections, all these will be held now. Cooperatives are huge in Maharashtra, all of these are now waiting to be yours. Okay, so that's a lot to gain for all these, both these parties, because that's where they get a lot of their votes from. That's where they can build up their own parties once again. So I think there is a lot for, I would call them only Shiv Sena now and NCP. So let's now not stop calling them Shinde and, Ajit Pawar. So NCP and Shiv Sena have a lot to benefit now. So I think they're going to show them that, maybe accommodate them a little more in, in Delhi. And I think that could, solve the impasse, if there at all any, if there is any. But Eknath Shinde also is a smart man. He also knows that, he is here ultimately because of the BJP. Yes, the BJP, did survive in the last, they could form a government because of him, and they made him the chief minister. So he's not somebody who is, he's not stupid in that sense, or he's not over ambitious that he will just do anything to grab power. He's a person with some stability, and he has been in politics for many years. So I don't think there's going to be such a big problem. And as I said, they both have lots to gain.
Okay. Rajlakshmi Joshi, there's also now, interestingly, another clamour that's on. So while the CM's chair is still undecided, there's another chair now that is being sought, particularly by the Ajit Pawar faction and the Shiv Sena, that is a finance ministry. That perhaps also is something that could be decided tonight itself in Delhi. What's your hunch, Raj Lakshmi?
Yes, definitely. What I feel is the BJP especially is taking its own time because they want to make sure that all the calculations and everything is properly in place before they can announce anything. So whatever behind the scenes adjustments might be happening, all these ministries, all of that all of that will be sorted before any announcement is made. So because the BJP is especially one party that actually you don't see any dirty linen being washed in public. So, even if like today you have seen a lot of their alliance partners expressing their views, but then they have not really stayed claim to the post of the chief minister as such. So, what you see here is a lot of discipline. So they would definitely not want some bad scenes happening after there is this announcement of the name of the chief minister. So everything will definitely be sorted before there is this announcement. And definitely, I am sure that it is not going to be Eknath Shinde, because if that was to be so, they would have announced it the minute the elections were over. If they were so comfortable with having him as the chief minister continuing, then that would have happened immediately. The reason why they are taking this time, I feel, is because they want to have all these adjustments sorted. They want to make sure who is going to be given what ministerial berth
Yes.
and how they are going to be pacified, and that is how I think, that is why I think that they are taking their time.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.